Alright guys, this is Growfolds with another unboxing video from Canopy Plant Co. So this unboxing actually comes from a friend's referral. I was looking for another rare Syngonium and it's called the Syngonium T24. They also have a Syngonium T25, but I put this order in this past Tuesday, the 26th, and today is Friday and I already received this. So within 3 days, Canopy Plant Co. was able to send me this amazing boxed plant. You could see that they've placed a lot of care into packing the plant. So I'm super excited to have received this in such a timely manner. They had a really good selection, and these one of the websites that I wasn't really sure of, but they have some rare Syngoniums. So you can see that it is secured well. They used a lot of those packing foam things, but I heard that those are biodegradable, so I'm excited about that. So I'm going to slowly unbox this plant. I'm going to see how well this Syngonium traveled, considering that it is winter here in Texas and the temperatures have gotten cold. They did put a heat pack in here, so I was really excited about that. I didn't ask for one. So this company is actually based in Louisiana. Wow, this Syngonium is a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Normally when you order like quote rare Syngoniums, or a very small version of it, but you can see that this is a Syngonium T24. I've been looking for this for a while and I got it for a really good price, $29.99 for a 4-inch potted Syngonium. Is a really good deal, especially the T24. I really find the variegation interesting, so we'll see what this looks like, but I'm super excited. Just struggling to get this rubber band off. I don't want to like rip up the leaves, but I'm already excited because I can already tell that this plant is going to come out looking healthy, really established. All of the expectations that I would expect from somebody, you know, sending plants online. I mean, my Indonesian import was amazing, considering it traveled 10,000 miles from Indonesia to, you know, Dallas, Texas. And now I'm sitting here with a purchase from Louisiana, and oh my gosh. So as you can see, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at this. So it looks like, you know, it's mostly green, but the surprise is, look at that. I will show you the variegation. The angle isn't quite there, but I will show you the leaves of this Syngonium T24 and you will see why this Syngonium is a Syngonium I've been looking for. I'm not 100% sure how quick of a grower this is, but if there's a lot of green, then I'm assuming that it's going to be a pretty vigorous grower. But look at this. So you can see that this variegation right here is quite interesting. Look at that. It's got that like, you know, strawberry ice kind of variegation, but green instead. Look at that leaf right over here. You can see there's just a regular leaf here, but the variegation, and look at that new leaf unfurling. And look at how big these leaves are. I was surprised about how big this Syngonium T24 is, because every time I see Syngonium T24s for sale that are like 50, 60, 70 bucks, they're not as big as this. But look at the variegation. Look at that new leaf unfurling. Look at that variegation. I keep repeating that, but look at that variegation. And even this leaf that's not really variegated is gorgeous. Look at that red veining. So I'm just going to go show you again that cream pink variegation. And you can even see the edges have a subtle variegation on it, that variegated lining around it. And look at this variegation right here. So I absolutely received such a healthy plant. It looks like this plant was some plant that I just picked up at a plant shop. Like there's no damage. You would not think that it's been traveling for 3 days. So like I've lucked out with plant mail, like from the one in Indonesia and now this. So I don't know if I should just be ordering plants during the winter, just because these plants have come out looking better than the ones I've, you know, ordered in the past. And I just wanted to show you it with the background, and you can see the soil is good, the substrate is good. You can see that strong root system. You know, I talk about aglaonemas a lot, but my first love is always going to be Syngonium, just because they're easy to care plants. And you can see, look at this plant. I lucked out, so I will definitely make sure to refer Canopy Plant Co. In the description below if you guys want to order. So if you guys like this unboxing video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.